Hi, I'm Abhilash. I work with Plivo. Plivo builds APIs and SDKs for unified communication. So anything that is not email, that is SMS and voice, we have building blocks for it. So basically we have small Lego blocks on which you can build any of your business workflows on top of that. Oh yes, we were. So today we had a keynote by our CEO Venki. So he gave a talk about how we scaled up from a startup, how we became a scale up. So all the challenges involved and how we uh, redefined a certain things on how we want to do. Not only that, we also looked at how we kept our DNA of a company constant and how we actually moved on and we scaled up to what we are today. Oh yeah, it's pretty great. So there were a lot of diverse people, right from people who are like really new to the industry and very seasoned folks as well. And on top of that, there have been a lot of hallway interactions with a lot of speakers. That in itself is huge. For us per se, there are a lot of people who had not heard of Plivo, but there are a lot of people who had heard about Plivo. So it's a mixed crowd. I mean, we are liking it. Oh, it's great. So we did have a lot of quiz, and we did capture a lot of leads in terms of people who are interested in Plivo, both as working with Plivo as well as who want to use Plivo and integrate Plivo as a platform. So in both the cases, it's been pretty solid. We've got a pretty solid lead from this platform.